Can you put in place proper logging of a Go lambda function without relying on a third-party package? My name is Jean-Baptiste and I am a developer with a passion for serverless and Go. I have written several blog posts about how to improve the observability of Go implemented lambda functions. These posts were inspired by some real-world examples where I built and deployed into production many lambda functions. So far, I have mostly relied on third-party packages such as Zap or Loggerus. In August 2023, a new major version of Go was released. This 1.21 version saw the release of a new log/slog package that provides structured logging. That piqued my curiosity. How hard would it be to move away from third-party packages? Can I still adhere to my advised practices, such as logging the AWS request ID and using the JSON format? I started by looking at existing repos on GitHub around that new slog package. I found about 10 projects implementing custom handlers, mostly for forwarding logs to other services. For instance, slog Datadog or slog Fluentd, but nothing around AWS Lambda. That is when I decided to implement my own AWS Lambda handler. It mainly configures two things. Firstly, it logs the AWS request ID and the invoked function ARN. Then it configures logs to use the JSON format. I will explain why in a future video. This slog AWS handler is now available on GitHub. The link will be below that video. I have successfully already migrated some of my Lambda functions from Zap to slog using it. If you are interested, please check out the Git repo and feel free to contribute.